Hi there, Matt from Scotlynn, a proud and recognized leader in the transportation and logistics industry. And today we'll be welcoming you to our how-to series featuring one of our most important pieces of equipment, the reefer. So if you're looking to learn more or simply just how to, stay tuned and follow along. Today, we're going to do a quick walkthrough of a pre-trip inspection to avoid any potential breakdowns or rejected loads. Step one of completing our pre-trip inspection will be to power on the Carrier Reefer with the toggle switch located at the bottom right of the module. This will take roughly 20 seconds for our digital gauge to power on. And please keep in mind, we have sped up this video to get you on your way faster. Step two, select the menu button to the left, followed by the pre-trip option here. Once selected, head over to our equal soft key and start the pre-trip inspection. After a few moments, the reefer will enter a warm-up cycle before engaging in its full pre-trip inspection. Once the warm-up is completed, the reefer will initiate a self-diagnostic check, ensuring all components are functioning correctly. When the pre-trip inspection has concluded, a quick summary will be provided. Any potential faults will be seen here. A clear gauge means you're ready to hit the road. Thank you for checking out our how-to series. Be sure to subscribe and follow along for future videos. We'll see you on the road.